so excited, but so relaxed. The sun, you can see, it came down. It started to get a little bit fresh, so we need a super salad. So simple you can make, you can do it. So let me show you what. So, lovely chicory. This chicory is called a Trevisano. You can use another chicory, you can use red chicory, which is equal good. This is called extra bite, so make sure you cut it and leave quite enough. You can use for something else. You can make lovely pasta with this one. Then again, you cut it all when they're big pieces on the side. Yes. Just drop it inside. This little bit, just have on top. Because the salad, it is a little bit bitter, use a lovely pears. I love pears. Make sure it's clean. Do not remove the skin. I don't like the skin to be removed. Just remove the top. Just put them on the side. Cut it. And you can see there is a little seed. With a knife, you can move it around. Okay, you got it? A little chunks. Don't do too thin. Lovely chunks this way. Little seedy again. Remove it. Right, just put it all inside. Just put them on top. It's a little bit rough, but let me show you what I do it. That's good. Then you get nice balsamic vinegar. We can't live without the balsamic vinegar. Just drizzle on top. Come on, just nice a little bit. Look at that. Not too much. This is also given the acidity and a kind of sweetness. Yes, sweetness. This is what we need. Drizzle with a lovely extra virgin olive oil. Come on. World without olive oil, I would not exist. Just put them on the side. That's good. Now, have a little bit of salt, not too much. Just sprinkle on top, this way. I always like a little bit of black pepper. Not too much, just a little bit. With a fork and spoon, just mix it. Make sure you mix it, goes everywhere. Look at that, oh yeah. At this stage, you get some walnuts. Yes, abundant walnuts. Change a knife, you crush them a little bit. Not too much. Yes. Just put them on top. This is incredible. Then you get some nice dolce latte cheese, but you can use also gorgonzola, just with your hands. Just put them on top. Look, don't worry about the skin. Use everything. Don't get a fork to do. You don't need to. Just put your finger. Beautiful. Just put them all on top. Just enough. I wish you can taste it. So simple. Everybody can make. Get a fork now. And I'm sorry, I have to eat it. So fresh, so delicious. It's so simple to make. Pears, the sweetness of pear, the bitterness of the chicory, the crunchiness of the nuts, the creamy of dolce latte, the drizzle of balsamic vinegar with a little bit of acidity, and olive oil goes on top. Everybody can make. So have a go and make sure you do it. If you don't have this particularly Trevisano chicory, global chicory will do, Belgian chicory will do it, you will love it.